Hello friend, in this short video you will learn everything about the smartwatch Realme Watch 3 Pro in a couple of minutes. Let's go. Realme introduced the Watch 3 Pro smartwatch. The novelty replaced the Watch 2 Pro, which debuted in 2021. Watch 3 Pro received a rectangular case with curved edges. The diagonal of the AMOLED screen is 1.78 inches, and the resolution is 368 times 448 pixels. The display produces a brightness of 500 nits, supports a refresh rate of 60 Hz and can work in always-on display mode. Realme Watch 3 Pro has a Bluetooth calling function. The watch has Bluetooth 5.3 support, as well as a built-in GPS module for navigation. Heart rate and blood oxygen sensors provide all-day monitoring. In addition, there is a function for monitoring sleep, stress and tracking women's health. The watch includes over 110 sports modes, such as walking, running, cycling, elliptical training and rowing. Tracking takes place with the help of professional sports algorithms, which allows for more accurate data. Among other functions, there is a search for a connected phone, camera and music control, an alarm clock, event reminders, a stopwatch, and more. The autonomy of the watch is up to 10 days. Realme Watch 3 Pro will be available from September 9th. This concludes the review. Bye bye.